Hi everybody, tbartz here, your Ford video guy with a video on my Bronco here, and something that I've actually had issues with and have been wanting to do for a while, and that is the floor mats. So the floor mats of my Bronco, I think the original floor mats that I got from Ford, and I've had a lot of issues lately, or for a while actually, with them sliding. So just like sliding forward and not staying in position where they're at, and they're pretty filthy and just need to be replaced. It's been 4 years. Anyway, so I wanted to replace them. So I actually been thinking about replacing these, and 3W actually reached out to me, and they said, I think we've got a solution for you. We think our mats will take care of what you're having some complaints on and what you're experiencing. So do appreciate 3W for sending me the floor mats, and not just the floor mat kits for the first and second row. They sent me the whole kit, so which I really like, because this is going to help protect the backrest as well. So we're going to get in this video and kind of install them. Now, first we're going to get them out of the box, and we're going to lay them out so you can see what all comes with this kit. And then also we're going to go ahead and install them and show you how easy they are to install and go into place, and the fitment and everything like that. So as you can tell, I kind of laid them out, got them out of the box that comes in, and laying them out. So we do have here, we have the front mats. In the front, these front mats, we have a long one for the back seat back here, and then the kit also, if you get the full kit, is also going to come with these that go on the back of the backrest, and also the little flap that covers up, and you can see they kind of bend, available to bend for that. And you'll see here, if you do have the latch system, you'll want to cut out for that, which I'll need to do probably just on that one over there, because I usually have my grandson with me sometimes. And then the full mat, the cargo mat that goes back here as well, which you know I have the cargo tray, so I won't be able to install this, but this in here is the back one, and I'm really digging these. Check these out. This is a mud, rock, river, forest, mountain, all terrains. And that is a Bronco, folks. That is looking really cool, and I do like this whole set. Now, something when I was researching this, before I said yes, go ahead and send me these mats, was I really love the design on these. So you can see it does have that all-terrain look and tire tread mark on those, and I really like that itself. And also, you know, these have a really nice material. So they are like a premium thorax material, very good. And you'll notice as we install these, we're going to install these, you'll see how well they fit in the vehicle too. So let's go ahead and get these installed now. Okay, we're gonna get these installed now. Here's the, of course, the driver's side over here, and you'll see it goes really around everything, the foot pedal and everything. That just conforms real nicely to that in here. And there's two spots where that goes into place. You just pop those in, and they should stay into place and not slide on you. So even though my last ones had that, they still popped out real easily, but these seem to secure in a lot better. And if you look right under there along the seat track, it conforms right around it. So it stays up close to it and all the way to the edge. And what I like about these versus my last ones is that they stay inside of the vehicle. The last ones kind of sat out on top of the door trim. And I didn't like that because I kept catching it, and that might be why they slid. But these here, I like how they stay down and in, and so I'm thinking I really like that. So let's get the passenger side. All right, so moving on to the passenger side over here. This one also is different because it's made different, and it also does have one spot for it. Pops into place, but you can still see how contoured it is against the interior. And yeah, I'm really liking this and how well they go in there. So all right, so this one here is really long, so the best thing on this one here is to kind of go down to the inside and get it underneath the seat really good on that. There you go. And then we'll get this side first. There you go, get that right up against those pieces, because it conforms completely around it. So get it up in there really good, and then lay it down. It'll fit down along the back side and everything, and then you can move over. So it completely kind of conforms in there, and it's real nice and easy to get down in there. And I like how well it does. I mean, the fitment on this is just incredible. So every vehicle has its own fitment, and it's going to be made. So, you know, if you're getting a 2-door versus a 4-door, it will be a different mat configuration. So, all right, and then we're going to do these backrests. Lay that down and do these. I'm really looking forward to these because they're going to go down on here, because sometimes I like to carry my lawnmower and stuff in here, or my weed eater and such, and then it gets grass on here and I have allergies, so this is going to be nice. So grabbing the first one here, and it will go back under there, because you can see how it's cloth under there, and this actually does go all the way under there. So you want to put that flap up and go along there. Now it also sits on the top edge of this seat too, so really fits well in there on the back of this, and it kind of just, it has kind of like Velcro on there, but it just sticks into place real nicely there, and then it goes back down. You can see it doesn't cover completely, but all along there where it needs to, where that flap goes down to. So let's do that. Oh, so in this piece too as well, it's going to kind of fit on the top, and then Velcro it down really good. And you'll see that the flap, this one, you want to put this down, because that's where it's going to go up, and so that way it kind of conforms to that. So you kind of see that right there. So get that down really good, and then of course just do that to the same thing on the other side. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do this flap first, since we already kind of have this here. Kind of go on there like that and put it down really good. There you go. Get it in there. And then this one here, you can kind of see where it goes around. You can kind of see where it goes around the notch up here on there. That might be a good starting place when you're doing it. And then putting it down in, and then you can flip it up. There you go. So I think this is probably really liking this, because I haven't had anything to protect this backrest, and they make one, and not everybody does. I don't know what company does, but I like that. Now you can see, look in the cargo area, I have this slide out, so I won't be able to put the cargo mat in there, but it will conform to everything, including your hooks that are down there. So I won't be installing in this, because I have this cargo tray right here, but that would be real easy to just go into place, and you can see those seats just kind of go up, which is really nice. So there you go. All right, so there you have it. So they're real easy to install these, and I love, you know, I'm really liking this. So I like the material. It's a premium Thorex material that they come with them. They fit really well around it, and of course, real easy to install. Floor mats usually are pretty easy to install, but I'm really liking it, and I like the dedication to the theme of the Bronco. Having the tire tread marks in there, and even on the back cargo area, having the Bronco in it. I really like that. I like that theme, and so I'm really happy about these. So again, 3W, check them out. Go to their website. Now until September 30th, they have 35% off on their floor mats, and they have them for all different vehicles. Ford F-150, you got your Ford F-250, the Bronco. They even have them for the Mach-E, I noticed. So checking them out, go in there and get that 35% off, especially right now, and you should be able to get a special code down in the description for this video for you. And then also, or if you go to Amazon, they have an Amazon cart, and they're on the Amazon, it's $50 off there as well through the September 30th. So it is brand day. So check it out, take advantage of that, and yes, I think you'll like them. So yeah, I usually wouldn't collaborate with somebody unless it's something that I really feel passionate about, and I really like these floor mats. So check them out yourself, and hope you guys do enjoy them. Make sure to subscribe with the bell notification turned on so you don't miss any of our other videos. And until the next one, stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself. We'll see you guys in the next video.